So it's really hot. So I'm gonna assume the park is cleared out a bit. So for those people that have tried to last all day, I don't know how you possibly would. But I don't know, we're just gonna go on our last few favorite rides that we just love so much, and then just take in all of Magic Kingdom.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are currently holding for further traffic clearance. Please remember to stay clear of all automatic doors. If you're standing,
it looked like space was down. So let's see what it says now. Bunch of 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25. Space is still down, Daddy. Oh, dun dun dun. I got this. This was on my other mask that I got. It's the same as my shirt that I got. But I just love it so much. It was cute. It just came out too, so. Monorail yellow coming in. I'll take Magic Kingdom to myself. How's that sound, Daddy?
Not with this heat, though. It is hot.
It is hot.
I've never been this hot.
Look how beautiful, and there's like no one. Oh, hi! Oh, thank you! Here's all the characters! Hi, guys! Oh, there's different ones that were here this morning. Hi, Gaston! Hi, Peter! Winnie! Hey, Tigger! Hey! That was so awesome! The thing I like the most about that is because there's not a lot of people, they like look right at you and like wave and smile, and I don't know, it's just cool. That was the first time we caught them. Did you see Aladdin on the back? You saw who? Mary Poppins. She's Mary Poppins, y'all. Yay! We walked right up. There was hardly anybody on the street. Found a photopass photographer with no wait, and we got our picture. So I'm hoping it turned out cute. I'll insert those right now. But now we're gonna run on over to Big Thunder Mountain. I know. It was fitting that our last time to ride it is in the back. So we were just getting ready to go on Splash Mountain, but they just closed it for inclement weather. So we're gonna head on over to Pirates since it's indoors, but we're gonna kind of book it because we figured probably everybody else is gonna decide to do the same thing. Did you have fun on Big Thunder, buddy? That really is the best ride. Here's another relaxation station over by Pecos Bill, where they usually do the Pirates adventure. So you can take off your mask without having to be like eating or drinking. Though it's super hot, so I would say hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Yep, and it looks like everyone had the same idea as us. It's like a ton of people in line, buddy. I don't know if Daddy's gonna go for this or not. Daddy just gave the no. I mean, it is social distance, but Space Mountain was still down too, so I think we're gonna pass on Pirates. It's like queued up all the way, even down there. Yeah, I don't see us doing that either. So I have to tell you, with this storm rolling in, it's a lot cooler, so it definitely is not as hot. So now what to do? What do you guys do when it's getting ready to have inclement weather, which not just rain, it's lightning too. Which rides do you guys run to? Do you care if the line is long? Do you do a line that's shorter? Do you just do whatever the closest thing is? I'm not sure what we're gonna do.
Thank you.
Yay, Space Mountain opened back up. So we decided to come over here and we made it in just as it started sprinkling. So off to space we go.
And beyond.
Joystick disabled.
Good job! Since this is our last day at Magic Kingdom, wouldn't be complete without going to PhilharMagic. Believe it or not, with the weather, usually that's a staple for us, but because all the wait times have been so short, we really haven't needed to use it as like a little hideout. So we're gonna hit it now. There's waving, hi!
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco. Y cuide los pequeños. Gracias.
We did It's a Small World, and then we went on Peter Pan. The rain has completely cleared up and it is much cooler now, so it's amazing. And look at that, the castle's right behind me. I love it. So we are we got about 45 minutes left, so we're gonna try and do Pirates, Space, and the Speedway. We will see how successful we are. The good thing is, it looks like Pirate has cleared out. All those people that were trying to seek refuge from the rain in Pirates are now gone. So, oh, it should be a walk-on. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Here's my pirate.
Do not tell him, Carlos. No.
Alright, so we were successful with Pirates. So now we got about 27 minutes left until the park is open. So just checked my Disney experience. It says that Space Mountain is 5 minutes and the Speedway is 15, which I'm not sure if that's really true, but we're gonna do Space again and then hopefully be able to get in line for the Tomorrowland Speedway before 7 o'clock. Yes, he wants to go on it again.
Because last time I was steer, I cannot steer, and even when we pushed down fully, it would only go like.
Yeah, we got bummed out 3 times on that. First time we had slow people in front of us, and maybe their car didn't work too. Second time, our car didn't really work. So 3rd time's a charm? Maybe, we'll see. I love how the music changes so seamlessly.
It's all ducks.
The last ride of the night, we did Space Mountain, and now we're on the Speedway, and it's raining, and we're having the best time. They're driving off the tracks because they're the last cars. And now it's park closed. That was the last ride. We're hoping to, hopefully it's not lightning. I didn't see any anywhere because we really want to go to the pool tonight and relax. Since the park closes at 7, so you kind of have your nights open. And we don't have a dinner plan for tonight, so we're just going to kind of mosey out of Magic Kingdom. The sky is gorgeous. No one wants to leave. I don't want to leave. I'm no one. I know. Why can't they keep it open till at least 9? It's just so early to, I mean, it's light. I mean, like, honestly, I should not be complaining. I'm just happy that they're open, but it definitely seems really early.
So then
We're just gonna end the vlog like this. I'm just gonna walk away and let you enjoy every little bit of the castle that you can get. Since this is our last day at Magic Kingdom. I really do appreciate you guys following along, watching the vlogs, liking, commenting, following on Instagram as well. Just your love and support just means a lot to us, and we just are so excited that you want to be a part of it too, and we're happy to share. Very happy to share. Thanks for following along.
Go live your DisGoals.
Go live your DisGoals. Bye.